This wig off of Amazon, and off of first impression, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed because this is what I bought and it looks nothing like that picture. Not only that, it's supposed to be 28 inches and this is definitely 24. So I was expecting it to have a lot more brown than Honey Blonde, and it just doesn't look like that, as well as it's already shedding and I haven't ran a brush through it. Like, I'm just like going through it and it's shedding. So because of how much I paid for it, I'm gonna give it a shot because it wasn't over $100, so I'm still gonna try it. I will I don't know if I want to bleach it because the hair is super like soft. Like, it's like almost, I don't know what to say, like it just feels super soft. So I'm not sure if it's even gonna hold a curl, but that's what we're gonna try to see today, to see if it could hold a curl and see if we could give it some body yaddy. Yeah, so the knots don't look too bad on this wig, so I might not have to bleach them. I'm gonna first try to style it without bleaching the knots, and if I need to, then I'll go back in and bleach the knots. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what we could do to get this wig together, if we can save her. Those ladies' lay edges down. You know what I'm saying? Get them down. Bam, bam, bam. That's my thighs. That little sound. Definitely my thighs clapping together. Bitch says she don't like me. Okay, so now what? Who said we was beefing about what we beefing about? We going in with some alcohol. Oh, I wanna rock you. Just zapping it, dapping it, dapping it, dapping it, dapping it, dapping it, dap, dap, dap. Dap, 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 dap. Let it dry. Yay! I don't know. Okay. For the main event of the season, you know, where? Hold on, we gotta bring her down. We're just trying to see how everything would look. Let's see. We gotta put some makeup on the lace and then, yeah. Do I recommend this wig? If you don't know how to do wigs, no. You are going to not like it very much. It is definitely, if you're looking for a challenge on how to do wigs, maybe. But I don't know if I would recommend it because of, I don't really like it. I'm just using it to make content. I need to make content today, and I scheduled myself to make content today, and this is the wig that I bought 2 days ago, and I got her yesterday and just styled her. I bought another wig yesterday that I'm getting tomorrow, and I need to push content out like crack, okay, in the 80s. Okay, when you look at the back of this, the back in this wig, you can literally tell that they just use one weft of hair per roll. They went the cheap route with this one. All right, trying to make sure it's dry before. Yeah, I put it back on my head now. was I talking so much shit about this wig? Okay. Let's first see how this comes out, and then we can have a different conversation. Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna use our brush, because I can't use this brush any other way now. But for this, we're gonna do this in sections, because the last time I tried to act like I was a professional, it didn't go well. So we're gonna use, it's got to be glue and then the lace tint spray in this thing, and we left it, it's been out for 3 days. So, oh, it's, please don't do me. Okay. Please don't do me. It's all gooped up. Okay. Like so, like that. And we're gonna do the front part of the wig first. So from here, I like to bring it down a little past my hairline, because I'm not gonna talk my hair. I'm gonna look a baby ear then. I'm not a woolly, so I'm gonna have to make it work. All right, and then we're gonna bring the lace down, the hairline of the lace down over that, just a little bit over that. Right, like so, like that. So right here, we're gonna go in and go down. Okay. And blow dry. Okay. I love when things just work out for me, you know, because lately life has just been kicking my ass. Doing this is just like, oh, I'm finally getting something right. Hold on. We don't want to pull too much, because you could already see where we put the glue before. So we go here. That looks a lot. It looks very, very close to my eyebrow. But that's where we're going to have to put this for the time being. So, okay, hold on. Let's first get the lace together. Right there. And press. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the lace is good. The style and color of this wig was just not what I wanted for this look today, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, let's blow dry that. side again. We're going up a little bit because we want to make sure it connects. Down. Just using, because the last time I put this on my head, baby girl, when I tell you it lasts 2 days, and I usually take my wigs off after the day ends. Like, I don't like keeping my wig on for the entire night. I just don't like it personally. But it stayed on my head for 2 days with this trick of the glue goopy situation. I think that the person's name is Amanda Up Next. Amanda Up Next. And that was the video I first saw how to do this on, and yeah, I'll make sure I tag her in the video that I made in regards to babies. We gotta put on our bun. Yeah, we're gonna bun it. I'm really freaking hungry and it's 11:15, so I gotta go find something in my house to eat right quick, and then I'll come back and cut off the lace and do so we can see and charge up my phone a little bit because my phone almost did by 9%. Yes, but this is how she's looking. The curls are still in. I left it in for probably 12 hours now. Yeah, and yeah, give me a few. Anyways, we're back again. Let's see what we have to. Oh. Okay. I'm relieved. Relief is what I am feeling in this moment. Let's get this lace up off this wig. One second. Damn, it's my last one. Okay. Let's get, I don't want to cut off too much of the lace. Just enough. Because I don't know what I did last time. Last time I cut off too much. And then it'll look crazy. Oh, what's that? Don't do me. Stay back. Violence, violence, valley. Okay. Oh my God, I'm annoyed. Okay. That was a little bit more of the lace than I anticipated cutting off, but the lace not bad. It's just the wig. Okay, this is how she's looking. Let's cut off the ear on this side. Balance. I didn't put so much down loose lace on the side of I'm gonna edit. Sure. Alright, this is how she's looking. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now we're gonna go in with the Frontal Queen lace melting spray. It's supposed to get rid of all of this. I pray it does, because if y'all lie to me, I'm gonna be so fucking mad. Because I did not need to spend this extra $20. So I hope y'all was being real and truthful. I'm gonna use the top of this. I'm gonna use the top of this spray some minutes. Okay, and give me a second. Okay, so we're going in with the brush, and Lord, please let them be honest. Did y'all see that? Hold on. Wait a second. Hold on. Just a minute. Give me a second. Let's do this side. I don't want to say nothing yet because that hurt. Did I cut myself there or something? I might have nicked myself. Cutting off the lace. Hold on. Let me put this down. I gotta blow dry. Damn, I didn't. Should be okay. Now, let me check. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's put on back the band and let's melt it a bit more. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go find something else to eat. All right, while this is still melting, let's try to see what these curls are giving, because we set them last night. Don't piss me off. Coochie. I'm gonna just comb it through. Fingers. Okay, the curls are cute. The curls are cute. Are they giving what I wanted? No, but I did this purposely because I needed the mold on the front of the wig to be set for us to get the curl and volume that we want. You know, like the Syntheticas, like back in the day, that's what this is giving. I don't know why they said this is human hair, but it might be a blend or something, because I don't know. I'm just really upset about the brown color that it's supposed to have. Like, this is just full on honey blonde. I'm not doing that again, but this is the melt. Oh, I look like Beyonce from that girl. Girl, I can tell he's been lying, pretending that he's faithful and he loves you. Girl, you don't have to be lying. Don't you be ashamed to say he hurts you. I'm your girl, we your girl. Dun, dun, dun. Don't you know that we love you? I can't let him go because he needs me. I ain't making it easy. I'm not loving it. I thought, like, if I styled it, if I gave it a bit more volume than how it was looking, that I would, you know, maybe fall for it. But it's still giving flat for me. Like, I don't know. Let's see. There's, okay, what I'm gonna try next, hold on. All right, I am going to attempt to curl, to give some more curls in the front of this wig, like here. Just to see if we could save her from being returned, because bitch, you so close. So close. So, better get on board. Do we like what she's giving here? Don't tell me I gotta do a ponytail because I just laid her. I think I gotta do a ponytail. I gotta do a ponytail, don't I? I gotta do a ponytail. Let's part this part out. Okay, the ponytail is probably the way for me to go with this wig to get a few looks out of her, because we need to make content today and that has to get done regardless. So yeah. What the fuck just happened? Bitch. Wait, hold on. Hold on. We like this. So let's curl her again. We definitely want to. I don't like the way it smells when you curl it. It just smells weird. Hold on. Let's curl this away from our face because it's just not giving. Hold on. Don't follow me because you're hot. I was ready to send this shit back. I was ready to send it back. Hold on. Yeah, she's that girl. She's that girl. Not the color I wanted, but clap it up, bitch, clap it up. Clap it up, bitch, clap it up. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Okay, sorry. Okay, so since we like what she's giving now, we gotta finish up with the finish-in touches to get into our look. For today, we are using on our chest, as well as our Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, because we want to give glow. Glow. Why can't I open you? I already blood clots. Okay, so let's get into this. So our chest is where the lighting is going to be pointing. So we are going to do, oh wait, sorry, I got to shake her up. She's been sitting. Okay, we have shooketh the table. Now we're going to put some of her in our hand, and we want that up. Oh, this smells so good. Over our chest and neck. It smells so delicious. Okay, like that. Our hands are not going to show, but. And then we're going to go in with our trophy wife. I just want to shine. Yes. Yeah. I swear this look is going to be so tea. Hold on. I completely forgot to, we're going to just do a little bit of trophy wife on our nose here. Sick! Woo! Okay, sorry. I'm excited. Don't you love it when an idea? This has been an idea in my mind, but I wasn't thinking that this hair was gonna explode. Okay, I gotta tone this part down a little bit because I did not anticipate her going all the way up here. So. All right, we're good. Final step. First of all, she ain't giving shit. Hold on. There's another one. Red. Can I pull off burgundy? Oh my god. With let's see it completely before we say no. I'm gonna use this because this gives me my lips like not gonna lie. We like her. We like her. Hold on, to pack some more powder like right around my lips because it's kind of looking like I'm smelling too much. Okay, and outfit is nothing crazy. It's just open top, like a button-down shirt. Really cute, really simple. But let's get into